Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Autocad. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss about object snap, Osnap in Autocad. And in the last video tutorial we discussed about some toggle keys in AutoCAD, and in continuation of that today I am going to discuss about object snap, that is Osnap. And if you want to turn it on, you will click once here. If you want to turn it off, you will click once and it will be turned off. And I will turn it on, and now I will click right here, and you can see some points, and here some definition like end point, midpoint, center, geometric center. You can do this setting. These all are checked here. That means it is turned on. Which is not ticked here, that is turned off. You can also do settings from here, the same settings, object snap settings, and you can find that all points here like end point, midpoint, center, geometric center, node, quadrant, it is turned off. So if you want to clear all, you will click here and it will be all clear. And if you want to select all the point, you can select all here and it will be turned on. So I will suggest to select all and make all the points turned on here. Many students used to turn it off, and they used to turn it off some points like midpoint, end point, center, and they will turn off all other points. But I will recommend to select all and turn it on every points here in Osnap, so that there will be no any difficulty in understanding. So I will click OK here, and you can also check here, right click, and everything is turned on here. Suppose I will start with this end point. So what is end point? I will go and draw line here, and end point is the end of any two line here. I will click here and see this is end point, and this one is another end point. If you turn it off, what will happen? I will turn it off, and after that I will go and to find out end point, but I am not able to find the end point here. It is showing nearest. So as soon as if you turn it on, you can easily find end point of any line here. This is end point. This is square box, end point showing end point, and this is also showing end point. So next is this one, midpoint. So midpoint is the center of any line or wall, anything, and it is showing this triangle is midpoint. We can draw anything from the center of line. So this is the symbol of midpoint. If you turn it off, you will be not able to see midpoint here. I will turn it off, and after that if you try to find midpoint, you will be not able to find midpoint in object snap. So this is the use of midpoint. And the center, if you want to find any center of, suppose I want to find the center of circle, I will draw here, and I will draw a circle here, and I will try to find the center. As you can see, this is the center. And again, if you will turn it off, you will be not able to find center here, and it is not showing center of this circle. As soon as you will turn it on, you can find the center here, and you can easily draw lines. So likewise you can understand object snap setting. This is the geometric center here, and you can find geometric center also. Suppose I am drawing a rectangle here, and I am drawing any line here. I want to find a geometric center. I can look at this here. You can see this is the geometric center, and after that you can draw any line. Next is node. So node are a location of points. So it is turned on, and I will go and draw any points here. These multiple points, I will click once here. Next one is here. You can see this plus sign. These are the location of nodes here. If you will draw line, and see this is the node. and draw a line in between. So it will be easy because nodes marking is showing. We'll turn it off, and I'm going to turn the node off here. And again, if you go and draw any points here, 1, 2, 3, and if I try to draw lines, it will be a bit difficult for me because it's not showing any nodes here. So this is the use of nodes. Next is quadrant. So quadrant is the quadrant of any suppose circle. If you want to find quadrant, you can use this tick mark. And again, I'm going to draw a circle here, and you can locate the quadrant here. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So this is the marking of quadrant. Next is intersection. So suppose if you want to find the intersection of any two lines, you can use this command and you can find the intersections here. This is the symbol of intersection, and we can draw any line from here. Next is perpendicular point. So suppose I want to draw perpendicular of this line, I will go and check this perpendicular, and after that I will type L, and we'll see this one, this plus sign. This is for perpendicular, and I will click this one, and you can see this green line, and you can draw perpendicular line with reference to this green line. Next is extension. So if you want to draw any extension of any line, you can use this. Suppose I am going to draw a line, and I want to draw an extension of this line by pressing L. You can see the green dash line. In continuation of this, you can see this green dash line, and you can draw perfectly extension of this line. It is showing extension, and if you turn it off, you will find it a bit difficult in drawing these extension lines. Next is tangent. So if you want to find the tangent of any circle, you can do it. I'm going to draw a circle here, and I'm going to draw a line from here, and if I want to find the tangent, you can see this circular thing which is showing tangent, and you can draw tangent to this circle. Next is nearest. So it will show the nearest point of any object. So if you will turn it on, it will show the nearest point, like any nearest point, which is this one, quadrant, and in any nearest point it will show, and you can use in your project. So it is also handy. This one is apparent intersection. So we'll understand what is apparent intersection. Suppose I will delete all this, and if I am going to draw a line here, and I am going to draw a line here, so it will if I want to draw any object at their intersection which we don't know, we can find out by apparent intersection. I am going to select this one, and we will drag this, and you can find this apparent intersection here, and you can draw any object line here. Apparent intersection, I show it once, and if I want to find intersection point here, I will draw this, and I'll bring my cursor here, and you can find this apparent intersection here, and you can draw any object from here. So you will easily understand once you will practice these all terms. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session we will discuss with some more topics in AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.